Welcome back, my Earthlings. For this 4K reviews and ideas video, I have something very special that I'm sure a lot of you will find very useful. What you see in the video is something that we've all dealt with. A clogged sink drain that can turn your daily routine into a nightmare. But fear not, there's a simple and effective solution to this common household problem. Forget the hassle of calling a plumber or using harmful chemicals. Introducing the FlexiSnake Drain Weasel, the superhero of drain unclogging. Unlike traditional plungers or harsh chemical cleaners, the FlexiSnake Drain Weasel offers a non-toxic and eco-friendly solution to unclogging drains. It is safe for all types of pipes and septic systems. This Drain Weasel's slim profile allows it to navigate through tight spaces and reach deep into the drain, ensuring a thorough and effective unclogging process. And with its flexible wand and patented micro-hook technology, it's designed to grab and remove hair, gunk, and debris from your drain in minutes. This package comes with a couple extra adapter sticks that are interchangeable. I ended up using only 2 sticks to completely unclog my sink drain. You can try to clean it for reuse, but it might be a little bit time-consuming. So enough overview of this thing. Let's see if it can do what it's designed for. Here's where you might want to consider wearing latex gloves. The first stick was able to get 80% of the clogged hair from the plumbing. Second one coming to make sure it's cleared completely. And voila, all unclogged within minutes with the FlexiSnake Drain Weasel. This is the ultimate solution, in my opinion, for clearing clogs in your drains fast and easy. With its flexible design and easy-to-use features, you can say goodbye to clogged sinks and showers for good. Don't let a clogged drain ruin your day. Grab a FlexiSnake Drain Weasel and get your drains flowing smoothly again. Links will be included in the description box for purchase. But that's not all that I have to offer in this video. To make sure you eliminate too often clean your clogged sink, consider installing this pop-up sink drain hair stopper. This innovative product is designed to effectively trap hair and other particles, preventing them from clogging your drains. Easy to install and clean, this dual-purpose tool is a must-have for any household. Keep your drains clear and water flowing smoothly for many with this super household gadget. These 2 tools are essential for keeping your drains clear and free from clogs, in my opinion. And again, you can find purchase links in the description box below. With the FlexiSnake Drain Weasel's innovative design and the drain hair catcher's effective trapping capabilities, you can say goodbye to pesky blockages in your bathroom drains. Don't wait until it's too late. Invest in these tools today and enjoy hassle-free drain maintenance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips and reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, life is like a camera. Focus on what's important, capture the good times, and if it doesn't work out, take another shot. This is 4K Reviews and Ideas, signing off. Take care.